everyone. Today we're cooking another cheese pancit meat noodle, and I added in extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to pour in some more of the extra virgin olive oil because I am going to fry a little bit our tilapia fillet over here, and I'm going to just put it on the side, and it doesn't have to cook much because fish tastes good much better when they are not that cooked. Now I am going to add in herbs to friends, and this is lavender and all the amazing good taste of seasoning. We have a lot organic basil, organic marjoram, organic rosemary, organic tarragon. I'm reading at what's written on the bottle, and organic lavender, oregano, all organic. Isn't it beautiful? And I love herbs de Provence because Provence is one area in France where you see a lot of lavender. My mom and I traveled to Europe. My mom and dad traveled as well, and my brothers and sisters. Let me show you something. My brothers and sisters also traveled around the world, and in France we see a lot of lavender, and I have fresh lavender here, flowers, and there is an area called Provence, and that's why I love herbs de Provence, because it has lots of organic, and I'm using organic herbs de Provence with lavender as well. And so I'm also adding in, let me see here, organic garlic powder. For those of you who are busy and you don't have time to cut all those spices that you need, you could just have the powdered, and I have parsley powdered as well, like so. And then I have minced onion as well. I'm going to drop in, and then we are going to squeeze in to grind some black peppercorn. The aroma of the newly grinded peppercorn is truly amazing, very flavorful. Thank God for all the blessings that our I Am Presence gave us. And I'm going to add, for some kick, red pepper, a little bit, because we already have the grounded pepper. And then I'm going to give you the secret, and it's no longer a secret though, because I'm going to reveal to you my mom's secret. I think this is ready to be flipped. Wow. And I use wildflower honey from Vermont. And Mom always say one secret tip to put some sweet. And so I'm using, Mom also use honey or brown sugar, whatever is available to you. If you like white sugar, that's fine. And so I'm going to squeeze in. I just got this from the fridge. So let's see here. I'm going to get another ladle. And let me, wow, the aroma is super delicious. Let me wash this first. The aroma is super delicious. I wish you're all here with me so that you could taste, you could enjoy cooking, and have a good taste of our cheese Pancit Mickey. We call this thick noodle Mickey. Some call it, my sister in Japan, traveled in Japan, and around the world as well. She's now in Canada. She's a citizen Canada. She calls this udon in Japan, she said. And in the Philippines, in the place where I grew up, Mom calls this Mickey. And so we are going to dilute with the extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil is very nutritious for all of us. That's why I use a lot of extra virgin olive oil. And so we're going to mix in the cheese with, you could use cream cheese. Let me show you. This my please. You could use cream cheese right here, and you could also use mild cheddar cheese from Wisconsin. Any cheese you like that is locally made in your area, it will taste good as well. Now let's see if our fish tilapia fillet is, oh my, this is ready for our enjoyment. Oh my goodness. It is super delicious. The aroma, I wish you're all here with me so you could enjoy our cheese pancit noodle Mickey with tilapia fillet. The aroma is inviting you and me to eat. Oh my goodness, look at that. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my 2 websites. Yes, I have 2 websites. I'm inviting you to go to my 2 websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And my mom's cookbook, along with my 22 books, are available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. ebook and Kindle in Amazon. That means you could, or in any bookstores, online stores, you could upload my Mom and Chef cookbook and all my 22 books in minutes in your computer. Or you could have my mom's cookbook in paperback format or hardbound copies. That's my beautiful mom right there in our kitchen when we were growing up. And you will notice some American chocolates there. As my beloved father was a USA stenographer typist for so many years. And when he retired, he was twice an elected leader and approved a public school budget in the school where my mom, as the first woman ever elected public official, founded with other government officials. And the aroma of our cheese Mickey Pancit noodle is inviting you and me to join. And our tilapia fillet is also ready to be enjoyed. And so in this school that my mom founded with other government officials, this is where I, their daughter, yes, that's me speaking to you about the video, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the Youngest Teacher Association president. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East in Manila, where I and my brothers and sisters studied from elementary, high school, all the way to college graduation. Thanks be to God for giving us wonderful parents who paid all our tuition fees in the private university from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation, and for loving us, working hard. Mom always wake up early to cook food for us before school. And then I went all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, as a New York City school teacher for so many years, university professor, journalist, and teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher if I could mention, humility aside, and teacher trainer here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am. And more in my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and all bookstores near you. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes you'll find in my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez. And that's my product, Juanita. Come on and eat. You're invited to my table. Our Pancit Mickey noodle with lots of cheese is ready for us to be enjoyed. Let me get the stove turned off. And come on and eat. You're invited to my table. Oh my goodness, this is super yummy. First, we have to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustaining. And so it is done, beloved, I am. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. This is super yum, super creamy. Wowie. Cheese Pancit Mickey. I'd like to taste it for you, but you know it's hot. So we're going to let it cool, and I'd like to invite you. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap in the Tagalog language. Super delicious. Kain na po tayo in the Tagalog language. Come on and eat. So this is our spoon, min fork. We're going to, let's see if I could blow some, I will blow some air. And I will just get, I think, one noodle. like so. For you and me and all of us, and I'm going to blow real hard. Mmm. Just perfect. Whenever I put cheese on it, I don't put salt because the cheese has already salt in it. It's up to you. Come and eat. You're all invited to my table. You're gonna love this as I do. Happy cooking. Cheese, pancit Mickey. You call, the Japanese call udon, but we call this pancit Mickey noodle. With cheese, lots of cheese. Yum. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Love, light, and gratitude and honor to our I Am God presence within our heartbeats, your heartbeats, my heartbeats, everybody's heartbeats. And love, light, and gratitude to my beloved parents, brothers and sisters and their own families, and all of you, my wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. And thank you to all those who are watching. Even though you don't subscribe, you're watching. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart as well. God, I am presence, bless us all in long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, harmony, and perfection, compassion, forgiveness, unity, and peace. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Enjoy. Yum.